all, let me present my material edible nutrition benefit of herbs and spices of the humans. Before anything, the material I would like to introduce myself. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rosita with the final name of 111. Here I will discuss the first on introduction, research methodology, final and discussion, and the last concern and recommendation. Other benefit of herbs and spices. One, herbs and spices have long been considered essential comforts of the human diets and are found in the same forms in all civilization globally. Two, not only adds flavor, but also records the needs for salts and fats seasoning. Improve the improve digestion and provides antioxidants that prevents physico, physiologies and metabolism change. Quick facts about herbs and spices. In recent years, there has been increased insights intense among con- consumer academics and the food industry about how food can support healthy. Traditional con- tradi- traditional concept. One, the traditional concept of addiction nutrition, the supply of nutrition such as carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and mineral is now completed by the idea of diet balance, which includes foods that promotes healthy and well-being. Two, previous studies, various various studies indicate that herbs and spices can play a significant role in managing chronic disease such as inflammation, cancer, and cardiovascular condition. For example, research by Taj, Tajkarimi et al. 2010 demo- demonstration the antibacterial protection of cinnamon oil against bacillus and anth- anthracite spots. Other study highlights that up to 60% of the global population, particularly in development continuous level on herbs and natural source for medical profession. The antimicrobial, antimutagenics, and anti-inflammatory profession of herbs like ginger, turmeric, garlic, and chili have been well documented. Research question: how do herbs and spices contribute to prevent concrete diseases, and what are their specific mechanisms of action? Herbs and spices provide numerous health benefits, include prevention of chronic disease like disease, disease, cancer, and diabetes. Their bioactive compound of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer active. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic have been shown to record blood sugar and cholesterol level. Bioactive compound in spice can incite LDL oxidation, which contribute to atherosclerosis. Spices are effective in managing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are key factors in distress variation. Methodology, REDS design, the REDS adopt a review article approved by analyzing private studies, exploring the health benefit of herbs and spices. The studies were analyzing to evaluate the functional and therapeutic effect of the spices of human healthy. That shows academic journals, health reports, and clinic studies focusing on bioactive compound in component herbs and spices. Data collection technical collaboration of scientific article, clinical students, and laboratory records reacts related to the health benefit of the herb and spices from collaborative such and peer-reviewed journals. That's analysis, qualitative analysis often from various studies, comparison of bioactive compounds like calcium in turmeric, in allicin in garlics, and their specific impairments on human healthy. Finding one, spices have been shown to have numerous positive effects on human health. The key findings include different benefit herbs such as mint, ginger, coriander, and garlic are commonly used in traditional remedies or as component in pharmaceutical formulation to treat disease issue. The herbs the herbs have been found to stimulate bile acid secretion, essential for fat degradation. Antibacterial effect, turmeric and garlic have so significant hypoglycemic effects, improving glucose tolerance and reduction nephropathy complexion in diabetes subject. Cardioprotective and antibacterial effects. Spices like garlic, onion, fenugreek, and turmeric have proven to lower cholesterol level and protect against heart disease. Anti-Chinese projects. Pen Phenolics compound in spices such as turmeric, chili, and clove have been identified as comprov- comprovative against that insects early stage carcinogenesis. Discussion on the terms with herbs and spices interacts with the body, include antioxidant activity, metabolism regulation, and immune response enzymes. Address potential gaps in search, particularly the need for more human-based clinical trials. Conclusion and recommendation: herbs and spices can serve as foundation foods addressed with multi-health benefits. The bioactive compound for in spice for so a positive association with Crohn's disease management includes cancer, diabetes, inflammation, and cardiovascular disease. Further studies, further studies on clinic trial are necessary to deepen the understanding of this bioactive mechanism and trail long-term impacts on human health. It is recommended that herbs and spices be explored to unstable more extensively in daily diets and a natural supplement for the disease prevention. That's enough of my presentation. If there is more or less, I apologize. And if you have any question, I'm welcome.
Okay, I will ask. Before it, I will introduce myself. My name is Dina Hairunisa with the final name 106. In the context of traditional medicine, how can garlic contribute to reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease? Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks for the question, Dini Khoirinisa. Permission to answer. Mm, In the control traditional medical, how can garlic contribute to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease? In reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, there are some many ways garlic condition to the low cholesterol, improve blood facility, lower blood pressure, evidence of blood clots. How about it is Dini Khairunisa? Can my answer be accept or instead an object?
Yes.
Uh,
Thank you for your
last
answer.
question. Last question. Mm,
Okay, let me ask you. I have a question. Let
yes.
me introduce myself. My name is Nisrina. So my question is, what is the difference between herbs and spices? Thank you.
Thanks for the question, just Nisrina. Permission to answer. What is the difference between herbs and spices? Spices are parts of plants that are asked to provide aroma and that taste to this. Spices can be starch, roots, skin, or livers. Seasoning is a mixture of combination of variation spice and other ingredients as to enrich the taste and aroma of cooking. Seasoning can consist of spices, salt, sugar, and other ingredients such as onions, chili, or sauce. How about is Nisrina? Can my answer be accept or is there any question objects?
Okay, I got it. Thank you for your question. Okay, thank you for your answer.
Yes. If no one has asked, I ask permission to close the presentation. Thank you. Thanks you, friends.
Thank you. You're welcome.